In 1969, humanity took its first giant leap onto another world. Over the next 3 years, 12 astronauts would walk the surface of the moon, and then, suddenly, we stopped. For over half a century, no human has returned. Why? The Apollo program was not just about exploration. It was a race, a political and technological battle of the Cold War. Billions were spent not only to land men on the moon, but to prove technological supremacy. When Neil Armstrong set foot on the lunar surface, it wasn't just a scientific achievement. It was a victory for an entire nation. Driven by urgency, fueled by competition, America achieved the seemingly impossible in less than a decade. But once the race was won, the motivation began to fade. After Apollo 17 in 1972, the missions ended. The reasons: cost, risk, and politics. Each Apollo launch consumed enormous resources, the equivalent of billions in today's dollars. The public grew tired of seeing the same gray rocks. And without the pressure of the space race, Congress slashed NASA's budget. Planned missions were quietly canceled. The dream of lunar colonies faded into science fiction. For the next 5 decades, NASA turned its focus closer to home, building the Space Shuttle, the Hubble telescope, and the International Space Station. Science thrived, but human boots never again pressed into lunar dust. Robotic explorers ventured deeper into the solar system. Meanwhile, the moon, our closest neighbor, remained untouched by human hands.